Okay, this is a video that will go over just briefly your baseball scorecard exercise. This is a group exercise, so you all can work together on this. Let's first talk about what you're going to do. You're going to go to this image I have of a baseball card box score and mark it up. And I want you to use your own creativity in doing this. This is really just to get your feet wet and marking up XML. And I've circled what I'd like to see you do. Pick a team. You don't need to do the whole thing. We're just really looking to get some basics down on how to mark up XML. Once you've done that, you're going to go into Blackboard, and in the discussions tool here, everything will take place in the discussions tool in terms of back and forth communications. We obviously have announcements, but any questions you have to ask, you're going to ask them here. Any kind of communication with fellow students, you should do that here and do it in the right forum. So I have various ones set up, and the exercise is the one you'll use. I'm not going to itemize them all out because you're going to do various exercises, but I think what we'll do is just leave that generic. I think that'll work best, but you click in here and then you can communicate back and forth with fellow students about what works. The class is relatively small. I think there's 10 or 12 of you, so I feel like we can just work together as an entire class. But you would create a thread and perhaps code out some of it that you part of the solution and share that and get some ideas. But just so you know, if you decide to just power through it yourself and do it all on your own and you don't really want to communicate or there's no time, I understand. But the one thing you do need to do is create a thread. Each person in the class needs to do this and put something to the effect of, exercise solution or exercise complete will work. And it's in my auto suggest there. And then all you need to do is you can paste it in if you want as XML, or you can just browse your computer and do as an attachment, and that might work a little bit better. And then submit and it'll pop up. I'm going to cancel that. But anyways, that's your exercise.